Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and what we're seeing is, either one of two things is going to happen here. I just got done doing my subscriber webcast, and basically what I said is this: the bears need to have a day. Not a day where they look like garbage in the morning and then find their car keys around noon and then make a push down in the afternoon. They need to put together an entire day. They need to break the 60 half low from yesterday and leave it busted. If they do that, then they will have successfully created a lower high on the daily chart versus the 2011 FOMC reaction high. This high right back here, okay? They need to do a lower low. If they keep screwing around at the 50-day exponential moving average and they end up letting the bulls have even a flat to sort of up day, then the functionality of that is we're going to come into Friday tomorrow and old habits die hard, and they can walk that thing all the way up to 2011 if they want to. And if they really get upset, they could walk it up even higher than that. So the bears need to push. They need to apply themselves, and they need to put together an entire day. They have not put together an entire day since right there, September the 28th. Everything else has been kind of, it's been pretty much the bulls. But at the same time, I mean, that's kind of been the motto for this market in 2015. The bulls have their moments, the bears have their moments. I mean, the bears have kept this market below the 200-day exponential moving average now for, going on 6 weeks. Pretty soon it'll be, a couple of months. The best way for them to continue to achieve that is to take out yesterday's low and to try to go down and take out this higher low down in the 1861 area. If they lose this high, then you have a low here, higher low, higher high. The dynamic of the market is going to change such that the dip buyers are really going to start coming in at that point. So today's a big day for the bears. They need to have a day. So you just had employment or jobless claims come out. We had a little push down, and we'll have to see. We got the Fed minutes at 2 o'clock. That should have an impact on the tape at that point. So it'll be a very interesting day to see if the bears can actually come out and finish. So just very briefly on a 5-minute chart, you've got this area here. This line is your daily pivot, okay? And you got the 50-day exponential moving average. This is what they've been battling over all week. Each side tried to take it yesterday, right? Bulls tried to take it in the morning. Bears tried to take it in the afternoon. Everybody failed, okay? The title of yesterday's webcast was Both Sides Have Issues. Both sides still have issues. They got lots of issues. So what we have to see now is who's going to win this zone? Who's going to win this zone? You win the zone, you win the day. Honestly, you win the zone, you win the week. There's not a lot of week left, but if anybody wins this zone decisively, the rest of the week will be theirs, whether that's bulls or bears. Okay? All right. Everybody have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Come take your free trial. We would love to meet you. The recording of yesterday's webinar has been posted on the website, and the link is up on my Twitter stream. Thank you, everybody, for coming. We're going to do another one next Wednesday at 4:30. It was a great conversation. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out, check out the recording. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.